Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to stream Netflix right on Discord without the black screen in 2 simple steps. But before we get into it, I understand that it is very annoying when you want to stream it and your screen is black for everyone else. So before we get into it, please hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, so very easy. First thing is, I understand you would go ahead and share your screen and all of a sudden it is black. Well, first thing you want to do is go ahead and go into user settings on Discord, and you're going to see all of these settings here. So we're going to go down to voice and video. Once in voice and video, you want to scroll down just a little bit past everything into advanced. Once in advanced, you're going to go into hardware acceleration and you're going to turn it off. Now, whatever browser you're using to stream Netflix, open that up. So in this case, I know many of us are using Chrome, or you could be using Firefox or Brave or Safari. They all have this setting. So let's just go ahead, open up your setting. Usually it's on the top right with 3 bars. You're going to go into settings. Now, instead of looking for it, all you need to do is just go ahead and look for either graphic acceleration or hardware acceleration. Either one would be found on most 99% of browsers. So once you found it, it should say use hardware acceleration or graphics acceleration. We're going to go ahead and turn that off. And then we are going to relaunch it. Now, once you've relaunched it and you head back to netflix.com, you're going to be able to see that you're now able to stream directly on Discord Netflix. Simple as that. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any more questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Take care.